Today, I'm going to be playing Lollipop Chainsaw Remastered. The original game came out in 2012 when I was roughly 11 years old. I remember seeing the ads for this game everywhere in GameStop. I thought it looked so cute, the character designs were adorable, but my parents, yeah, they were having none of that. So, now I'm 23 years old, they just came out with the remastered version, and I'm so excited to play it. So, let's get into this one and see what I've been missing.
Oh my god!
We're off to a 6-star. I'll get into it.
Seriously? Dude. The hell?
Hell yeah, time to kill some zombies.
And on my birthday too!
On your birthday?
Already late enough.
Shame. Real shame.
Stupid! Undead douchebags!
I love her vibe. Oh. Juliet Starling. She's just so cute. Like, her character design, I love her.
This is so irritating.
Okay. Learn the moves pretty fast.
Hold on, Mary Jane!
Extreme explosion. R.I.P. to those people. Oh, nice. I don't know if I was supposed to press buttons during that, but I did not. Oh, I don't know which is more fun, the chainsaw or the pom-poms, honestly, like. Oh! R.I.P. That didn't work out well for them.
Be safe or be sorry.
I got this.
Right there. You zombie.
I feel like this is too easy. Yeah. Kill all of them. Sparkle hunting zombies.
Awesome. I'm still alive.
You're welcome, bro.
Zombie medals.
Thanks, kid. Really great work. See if you can get anyone
Be
else
careful.
out.
Imagine this is real life, and the military just has this random cheerleader with a chainsaw really just saving the like zombie survivors, I guess.
Zombies suck dick at driving.
A lollipop. Okay, another
Your license
bus.
should be revoked, bro.
No, for real.
Rip out your teeth.
Oh, great.
Rip out my what?
Easy. Don't be looking at my skirt.
Looking up your skirt. Don't worry, girl, I got you. Oh, you should. That was it. I was like, what move hits him on the floor again? Rescue classmates.
Just don't move. I'll take
Hopefully
care of
these weren't the kids I hated in school. That will determine my speed in which I save your lives. I'm like trying to learn the combos slowly. But press B near zombies and A to rip them apart. That was slow. That took me a second. But I got him.
Hey,
I saved you, homies.
Great. See one more. I got it.
The military is really doing nothing in this scenario other than driving a helicopter, huh? I really need to remember what button does what. Deliver eggs. You're a school bus driver. What are you talking about?
Come on, get away from me.
Time to go save Sass. Ooh, that was a good combo. Ooh, Thank you. I thought that was beautiful as well. I really love like the sparkles as you're killing the zombies. Like very adorable. Like such a girly zombie game.
Fuck off! Get away!
What are you gonna do, bro? A whole lot of nothing, huh?
Well, we got these ones, but I see a whole group of undead bastards incoming. Meet me up ahead.
Could you get out of my way? Like if you're just gonna walk around and do nothing, then please don't stand where the zombies are. Yeah, he's so useless.
Absolutely useless.
Alright. Even the cops are struggling? What are the cops doing in this situation other than running and hiding? Hell yeah.
Get away!
Oh, sick. Yeah, flip. Chainsaw. I love this game. The like combos are actually really fun. When they're crawling on the ground, you just, why? Because it's the only chainsaw move that like goes overhead. I don't understand why you can't like kick them with the like pom-pom stuff. Well, they are easy to decapitate, simple enough. Why was he just standing there and just letting the zombie attack him? Like,
Glad you made it, pilot dude.
yeah, thanks, bro. That guy was so useless, I couldn't wait to get rid of him. No. Bruh. Bruh! How could you mess up that bad? If you saw the zombies were getting lifted up with the guy, why would you not just, you know, not?
He crashed over by the school and is probably dead.
He's probably dead because... Sorry, something started happening. My chainsaw has a phone?
Hey,
Ugh.
it's Mom, Juliet. Hope you're taking care of yourself. Don't do anything stupid, okay?
Thanks, Mom. Don't do anything stupid. Seems like she has no clue that there's like a zombie outbreak going on right now. Oh, these zombies want me bad. Huh. Oh, they're fighting over her, not me. Okay, that makes sense. There's one zombie girl in this whole universe, and they wanted her bad. Did I kill them all? Oh. Couldn't just leave this guy. That was embarrassing that none of my pom-pom things hit him. Oh, it's a B one. So the jumping ones are B, I see. Nice. BX.
No need to come out.
Okay, so BX. Oh, I like that. That's so cool. They like, it like jumps over the zombie's head. That's super sick. Oh my god, I'm getting beat up by these zombies a little bit.
Let me fuck your father.
Let you what? Excuse me? My dad is off limits for you. Sparkler hunting. Heck yeah. Got him. Okay, that was an intense battle there. This is how I heal. Yes. Good job. Okay, so the sliding ones are also B.
Stay back! Get off!
Dude, the police are so useless. Are you not even gonna try to shoot them in the head? The fact that zombies can talk in this game is hilarious, though. Oh, is he like a boss zombie? Yeah, because he's kind of hard to fight, I see. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, he's about to kill me. Hold on. Ooh, I'm getting like beat up by zombie. Oh my gosh. Let me just heal myself. I wasn't sure if it was gonna pause, so it's like, oh, let me run away. This guy's really hard to fight, surprisingly. I'm yanking him up though, I think. He's doing a little bit of a number on me, but ultimately, he's gonna die here. Nice. Yay! Did that. Oh, I got a new recipe at thechopshop.com. Deco who what now? Ooh, good thing I healed right before I fought whatever this guy is. Why can't I move? There we go. Ooh, they're really yanking me up. When he said decontaminate, he meant it, huh? Oh, I need to mess up this Jerry guy. He's really doing a number on me with his decontamination spray. But his, like, goons are just so in my way right now that I can't even focus. Actually, this guy is not as bad as George was, surprisingly. So, Jerry, you know, it's fine. Oh, nice. Well, that killed both me and Jerry. Jerry, you killed yourself, low-key. Ooh, I need a lollipop.
Oh, Nick, please be okay.
Hopefully there's a
Nick?
lollipop, like, right at the start of this.
Are
Or
you
they
here?
just give me health
It's okay
after
to
this
come out.
cutscene. That'd be
Nick?
really nice.
Oh, please.
Is this Nick as a zombie? No! No, Nick's better than that. Look at him rescue me, you know. No! I spoke too soon. This is the guy that I think they wrote in the, like, intro thing. It's like my crush. Maybe if I cut his arm off, though, he'll be good, like in The Walking Dead.
You okay, Julia?
Hit him with a little Herschel action.
Yes, are you?
One bit me. Just a little bit. I don't know what that means. What does it mean? Huh?
It can't be.
I
It
feel
looks
in-
like I know what it means.
I'm gonna become one, huh?
Dang.
Fuck. I'm screwing up your birthday, aren't I?
Just a
I'm
bit.
sorry, Juliet. I don't want to fuck up your birthday.
My birthday? Don't worry about that. That's the dumbest thing ever.
Yeah, I think my birthday's already messed up, bro. Like, that's the least of your worries at the moment.
Listen, I know it's stupid. We just started getting serious, but I wanted you to know. I know I've never said it or anything, but I kind of sort of, you know, love you.
What?
Oh, I fucking
I don't even believe him.
Oh.
Nick.
Damn, R.I.P. to Nick. Gone too soon.
No. There's something we can try. It's the only chance we have to save you.
Juliet? What the fuck?
I love you.
Yeah! You're a G, Juliet.
I was expecting more. Hey, maybe you shouldn't have quit your fucking day job so early.
A B+ isn't bad for my first time.
Nick.
Oh. Juliet? What?
He's alive!
Yeah. Basically.
I feel okay. I feel good. Juliet, I'm not a zombie. Not at all. What? Oh no.
I had to.
How did this keep him alive? He doesn't even have a heart.
God! Where's my fucking body? Oh, fuck!
Don't get mad. I didn't know what to do.
How am I still alive?
Why didn't you just cut off his
How am I
arm?
still talking without a fucking thorax?
I performed magical ritual on your head? It was really hard. And I don't mean to be a jerk, but I think maybe just a little bit of appreciation is
No, honestly.
If I didn't chop off your head, the venom would have totally seeped into your brain and turned you into a zombie.
Yeah.
Juliet?
This is true love.
How? How do you know how to perform a magical ritual on my decapitated head?
There's some stuff I didn't tell you before, okay?
Juliet
I
lore.
didn't want you to think I was weird. I'm kinda, sort of,
What? Juliet?
don't know how to say it exactly.
Zombies! Zombies! Coming to kill us now!
I'm a zombie hunter.
What?
Oh, okay, so this is just light work for her. How did we get to this point, though? Like, how did we become a zombie hunter is what I want to know. Why would he hate you? You literally saved his life.
What the fuck is going on here? Hey, this is making me dizzy.
We'll pick up some antacids later, Nick. Right now we have to kill these guys.
Here we go. Decapitated. Oh, there's still this one. And I turned my back to him like a stupid idiot. They did give me full health though for this stage, which is nice. Because I ended the last stage about to die.
Zombie?
Oh, he's a stupid zombie. Alright, Nick. Any zombie that messes with me, a little dumb. I don't know how to pick up the phone, but... I saw I was getting a call.
What the hell was that?
Hey, it's Mr. Fitzgibbon.
I don't think I was actually supposed to pick up the phone. Maybe that was just like a little.
This kind of math sucks.
Okay, so I think I've learned if you do like hella pom-pom moves, it makes it your chainsaw like ever so slightly faster for like 2 seconds. And I don't know what the weird science is on that, but I'm just gonna convince myself that's how it works.
Uh-oh.
Yeah, brutal him up, Juliet. Yeah, sparkle hunting. I love when she does her little flips and tricks. She's honestly such a cute, like, main character. Like, I love her so much. Who's left? Oh, just him. Oh, so he's just gonna fly out the window out of anger.
What's this?
Zombie Bomber
That's
Fest?
royally effed up.
How are there people still here even? Like, haven't the zombies been here for like a grip at this point? Like,
Leave me alone! Get away! No!
the music in this game is also kind of fire. It's like, almost like pop punk, like, in a way. Like, I'm rocking with it. This game's very me. Oh, I was supposed to save him?
I hate when people die.
I hate when people die too. Ooh, he got me good there. I'm stuck. Where'd the other one go? I know there's one left. There he is. Before I go get this lollipop I want. So I have to go into like all of these rooms. Yeah. I love how song's just like, we're all cannibals. Is this like zombie rock? Is this the music the zombies make, like, and play on the radio? Because we know the zombies can talk, so the zombies can sing. I want to hear a band of zombies. Kill the zombies.
My math test. I need help.
How do you... Oh,
Hey,
this
Mr.
guy.
Fitzgibbon again.
Not this guy. How did I know he'd be back?
He gave me a D last week. Kill him.
Gave you a D and that's why you want me to kill him? Seems like a lame excuse, but I'll kill him just because he's a zombie and he's in my way right now. Where'd he run? Uh-oh. Why are you running for it? Like, you're gonna die, bro. You tried to sick like a whole school of zombies on me and thought I like would let him run? You good? Well, that... I didn't need to know you pooped yourself, bro. You could have kept that one to yourself. Oh, zombie bombers. I see what they're saying now.
Fuck. I think that zombie seriously had dynamite strapped to it.
Why would somebody do that?
I don't know. For funsies, I guess. There are cops in this school? Where were you? Oh,
Whoa, that was close.
very close.
That'll make the 5 o'clock news.
Oh, why? Oh, what's this guy? He looks like a boss. Yeah, had a
This
feeling.
zombie might work. Hey, Nick.
Oh, he's
you
got
need
a
to break through that wall.
headless.
Can you give me a hand?
Oh, we're gonna like use his body
Yeah,
for
right.
Nick's
I'll have
head?
a hand to give.
That seems really weird.
Well, not yet, but that spell I cast on you gives you some magical powers.
What?
Like maybe I can connect you to this zombie's body and you can temporarily use it.
Huh?
Just like this. 1, 2, 3.
Whoa. Whoa. This feels weird. I'm blue and stuff.
That was like a weird like little like rhythm sequence thing. It shook me up. Okay. That's actually kind of cute. I'm not gonna lie. This game has like nice little features
If I
to
use
it.
this ticket, I can totally use your cool powers.
Like just him
Whatever,
being
dude.
able to like use a zombie with his like magic headless power. A Nick ticket.
I wonder what
And
they
a shop. Health and upgrades.
There it is. There it is.
Okay, well I can only buy like one thing from each place, I guess. Well, I'll buy a few lollipops. We're gonna go with Band Girl.
That's it.
Alright, I'm not even gonna look at art collection because I already know I don't want whatever that is. Oh, I got you. Dang it! I missed with my Nick ticket. Oh, I think I beheaded all of them in one side. It's very sick. Yeah. Oh. -1, but that was still pretty good.
You're late, Juliet.
Who are you? You're late, Juliet. What do you mean late? Late for what? Like, you weren't gonna get rescued if I didn't come to save you no matter what. So it doesn't matter what time I got here. You're not dead. You have no right to complain if you're alive. Oh, that was... I actually almost decapitated them all in one go. That was pretty sick. It's always like all but one. It's like bowling, you know? Is this a zombie cop? It is a zombie cop.
What's the deal, dude?
Zombie cop. Fucking lame.
Ooh, he can blammy me. I'm glad I bought all that health before I fought this guy, because I had a feeling. I'm like, if they give you like an option to buy all this health, it's not going to be for no reason. Okay, he actually wasn't the worst. I thought he was going to be a lot harder than he was. I actually don't think he did the worst on my health. Yeah, I'm not even halfway. Like, I ain't even going to take a lollipop right now. Who is this guy? Oh, the bomber. Ooh, do I have to beat up
Their
bombers?
bodies are wrapped with bombs.
We need to hit him and run away before they explode.
Ah!
How is that fun?
I want to go in here and get that stuff that I peeped. Yeah. They were trying to like turn me around and not have me get my lollipop that I wanted. Let me drive the boat.
Oh my god!
What the heck is this?
Apparently my chainsaw can cut through brick. I mean, yeah. Out of the things I've cut through, not the craziest, honestly. Dude, this girl's on her own, man. Like, you're about to die for real. No questions about it, but I'll try to save you. Oh, not the bombers. I'm so screwed. There's zombie medals in these lockers? Heck yeah. Oh, I said she was on her own and I had a feeling, bro. There was nothing I could do about that. It's truly unfortunate you had to die that way, but really not on me.
I'll be back for you.
Of course.
Uncool, asshole.
These are just human bombers, so what's going on with you guys? Oof. Yeah, that really does suck, huh? She really didn't want you. She wanted you so bad, bro. She'd rather you die. Ooh, yeah. Heck yeah. This is just too fun. This game is just, chef's kiss. To literally walk through the door, because you can't walk through fire. Duh. Dang, she wanted you so bad, bro.
That's the dude who stranded us. And he's getting what he deserves.
But we can't just let them all die, Nick.
Or we could.
I'm with you, Nick. Like, I would let this guy die, but I don't think the game wants that.
Oh, I screwed up again.
Yeah, well, Juliet, sometimes you gotta worry about yourself and not the random guy who literally left you stranded. Like, Nick is kind of right on this. Even if he's just ahead, he's spitting a little.
Check it out. Ready? Okay. Under. We slay. Go. Die. Zombie.
She's so cute.
Yes. If it bleeds, I can kill it.
She's so cute. Like, you gotta love her spunk. How to get my precious zombie medals, because you never know. What if I'm running low one of these days?
Juliet, where are we going?
I need to find Morikawa-sensei. He'll know what to do.
Who's that?
Morikawa-sensei. He's my sensei.
A sensei? What, like a teacher?
I didn't know you spoke Japanese, Nick.
Well,
Basically, watashi mo Nigo o hanashimasu.
I can't speak Japanese, Juliet. I just know that one word.
Aw, your simple innocence is one of the most attractive things
Something
about
else written.
you.
It says zombie basketball. Time
You're
limit
like
3
a
minutes.
kitten.
You lose
A kitten
and
that
blam.
doesn't speak Japanese.
Yeah, okay.
Well, I guess we're gonna have to go play zombie basketball.
Zombie basketball. Time you're killing up zombies. How many points can you rack up?
Are those zombie cheerleaders? Oh, we have to box it out. Those are the ops for real. Getting really pieced up in this basketball game. Wow, was this actually really 3 minutes? Woo! I was sweating. I was really sweating for that one. I don't even know what my final score was.
Baby? Oh.
But Julia died. So it must have not been good enough. I have to go back in to do zombie basketball again. Okay, so I need to get more than 100 kills. Oh, come on. 5 seconds left. I'm not even freaking close. Alright, I gotta sweat. I gotta sweat harder. Oh my god, I'm so freaking close! Oh my god! I think this is the run. Just don't let me fuck this up. I did it! I did it! That had me freaking sweating. If there's anything in this game that was hard, there is nothing else that has been hard up until that point. And that was just uberly hard. And I was just about to die too. I didn't use any health during that round. And I was just about to die, so. Not another one of the zombie bombers. Like, I don't have time for you right now. I just did basketball. Oh, well. The way I had an arrow and I just like totally didn't see it was so embarrassing. I'm definitely gonna buy some awesome skills because I learned I don't have enough. We need Lollipopter. Maelstrom spin. Okay. Oh, he had a guitar. Haha, that's why he said rock and roll. I get it. Oh, that was the spinning maelstrom, I believe. At least that's what I was trying to do. Wait, did the lockers here open up? No. I learned that from before. You can't forget that you need to get these freaking medals so that I can get more zombie attacks.
Kill him before he blows up!
Yes, Suman.
Oh man, don't these dudes ever stop coming?
Why can't I decapitate the teacher? Do I have to kill all them first? Is that why? Oh yeah, it's just maybe kill all the students first. Which is dumb, because I definitely would have decapitated her like 40 freaking times.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8.
These are like really hyper focused. Like you could mess this up really easily. Oh, I love that she's in pussy power. She's a female cop. Like.
No respect for the badge. I'm gonna F you up.
They're kind of hard to fight, but it's only because they have guns. Nice. Decapitated.
You've done your homework already.
Done my homework. In this economy? Or, I don't even think there's economy going on anymore. Why is this part of the school just full of like rocker kids? Did I do my homework? What's up with that question? Oh, these are all bomber guys. Let me not get bombed. Yeah, exactly. Oh great, another one of these guys.
It's irritating.
Oh, he mollywalked me twice. So embarrassing, huh? Nice. Wash my hands. What is he on about? Oh, be a slide. Who are these other 4 characters over to the left? Like, we've not met them at all. Was this the boss of this level?
Ah, Juliet.
Oh no, my sensei! I found him! I found him!
Hey, that's
Yo, he's fire!
Juliet. It looks like you've really gotten ahead in life.
My teacher, Morikawa Sensei, is the most amazing veteran zombie hunter ever.
Oh.
Correct. I have studied the zomboid sciences for 40 years. Listen, both of you! The school is in dire trouble.
That it
My
is.
research tells me that something has gone wrong on a cosmic scale.
That's a massive bummer.
That completely sucks.
Let me show you. The universe is composed of 3 dimensions. The land beyond words, the rotten world, and our dimension, Earth. There are dimensional walls between each. Using a combination of black magic and explosives, someone cracked the wall between Earth and rotten world. And the gases of rotten world seeped into our world. Your
Seems
friends and
legit.
fellow students inhaled these gases, which transformed them into the undead.
So this is only happening at
Whoever
my
did this
specific
could be
school.
trying to open a permanent gate between here and a rotten world, which would be catastrophic. Fortunately, once they have become zombies, there is no return. All we can do is clean up the school, kill the undead, and stop the bomber. That is our mission.
Good to know.
Is either in the cafeteria downstairs or the courtyard. You destroy the zombies in the cafeteria. I shall look in the courtyard.
Sounds good to me, bro.
I'm counting on you both. Kill the motherfuckers!
Okay, Sensei, I'm on my way. Like,
Yes, Sensei.